What's up guys, welcome to another video. So more than 3 weeks ahead of Galaxy S21 announcement, Samsung US has started accepting pre-order reservation for the upcoming phone. You can now sign up to be notified when pre-orders for the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra go live in the region. Samsung is letting the consumer register for the pre-order notification via Samsung Shop app, and if you want to register for the pre-order, you need to click the Reserve Now button on the banner images, fill in the required details and accept the terms and conditions. This leak has been arrived from XDA screenshot which they have posted on their website. And according to this screenshot, the South Korean firm is also offering some benefits for reserving the pre-orders, and you can get up to $60 credit that you can spend on accessories while pre-ordering a Galaxy S21 series device. The company is also offering a $10 credit to those who pre-order the phone via company app. Also, Samsung will allow you to trade in the existing smartphone up to $700 depending upon the phone and its condition. If you don't know about the Galaxy S21 series spec sheets, I'm going to give you some hint of the device that is expected to be coming with that specification. The Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra are expected to feature a new design, 120Hz of Super AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 888 processor in the US and Exynos 2100 in other markets, 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of storage, and Android 11 based One UI 3.1. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus are rumored to sport Full HD Plus screen, while the S21 Ultra could have a QHD Plus display. The display in the S21 and S21 Plus is going to be a flat display, whereas the Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be coming with a curved display. In terms of selfie camera, the 10-megapixel selfie camera is expected to be seen in the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus on the front, and on the back we have triple camera setup in both the devices, where we have 12-megapixel of main camera, 12-megapixel ultra wide and a 64-megapixel of telephoto lens, which means a triple camera setup on the back side. The S21 Ultra on the other hand is coming with a 40-megapixel of a selfie camera and a 108-megapixel HM3 sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra wide, 10-megapixel of a telephoto and a 10-megapixel of telephoto lens, which means that a quad camera setup on the rear side of S21 Ultra. All phones are expected to be coming with an 8K 30 frame per second video recording, stereo speaker, 5G IP68 certification and in-display fingerprint reader. Samsung Pay wireless text, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging is also supported. Samsung is also expected to equip the S21 Ultra with an additional features like the S Pen compatibility and the Wi-Fi 6E. The Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra are expected to be powered by 4000, 4800 and a 5000 mAh batteries respectively. So guys, what are your opinion about the earlier pre-order of the device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider this for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.